Bitcoin is a digital currency that is not controlled by a central authority or government. This means that Bitcoin users maintain complete control over their money. The operation of Bitcoin is carried out through the collaboration of all users in a network, which operates on a database called a blockchain. This database is a distributed system where all Bitcoin transactions are recorded and verified. For example, let's assume that Logan has 5 Bitcoins in his wallet. When Logan wants to pay 1 Bitcoin, he creates a transaction request. This transaction request is sent to the Bitcoin network and is verified by other users. Special computers called miners work to verify the transaction and add it to the blockchain. Miners solve mathematical problems to verify the transaction and add new blocks to the blockchain. This process ensures the security of the network and allows miners to earn new Bitcoins as a reward. In conclusion, to give a simple example of how Bitcoin works, users make transactions using the private keys stored in their digital wallets. These transactions are sent to the Bitcoin network and verified by miners. Miners solve mathematical problems to verify transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. This process ensures the security of the Bitcoin network and allows users to maintain control over their money.